What's happening, guys? So I wanted to take a minute and go over something that I see all the time in my knife shop, and it's whenever people are picking up knuckles. All right, one of the most common ones that I see is people picking them up like this, believe it or not. People actually think that you wear knuckles like this. You don't. You're gonna break your hand. Another one, more common, is sliding it all the way back onto your hand. You don't want to do that. If you punch something with it, it's going to hurt your hand. The sweet spot that you're looking for is right here. So if you're punching, it's coming like that, but you're not going to hurt your hand. You're going to hurt whatever you're punching, but you'll be fine. So to recap, don't hold them like that. Don't pick them up like that. That's wrong. Even though holding them like that makes sense, you'll know the first time you punch something that it ain't right. You put them like that, you're going to be good to go. And something that you should never do with knuckles is punch somebody. You will do a lot of damage. If you can't hit them with your fist and do what you need to get done, just walk away. It is probably not worth it. The guy I know was telling me a story. He had a set of knuckles whenever he was younger. He wouldn't even pick them up because he punched a guy and knocked his eye out of his head. Not really something you want to do. So keep in mind that if you hit somebody with these, you are going to do some permanent damage. And also keep in mind that in a lot of states, these are illegal. So I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial on knuckles. If you liked it, or if it gave you a little bit of something, feel free to hit the like, subscribe. You can share it if you want to. That's always cool. And being that I was punching on my anvil with these ones, I'll go ahead and mail them to one of you guys in the comment section. All you have to do is, I don't know. Write a comment. Next week, one day, I'll randomly select somebody and you can get this pair of knuckles. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'm always happy to answer. All right, guys. Have a good day. Bye. Oh, and also, see that little thing right there? That makes it a belt buckle.